Here's a short little practice that you can work with if you're experiencing some lower back strain or pain. So for this practice, you'll need some kind of a blanket or a pillow for your head. If you have a yoga strap, you can also use a bathrobe tie and some kind of a chair, or you could use your legs up onto a couch or an ottoman. So we'll just begin coming to the floor, and you'll make a loop in your strap and you'll sweep it around your legs. You can also use your bathrobe tie and just tie the strap, the belt, around about middle of your thighs. And just make it snug enough so that your legs are about hip distance apart, and when your legs are relaxed, you can feel the support of the belt around your thighs. So then you'll make your way over to your chair and have your blanket or your pillow handy, and you're just going to lie onto your back and take your legs up onto your chair or your couch. And I like to have pretty close to the back of my knees resting along the seat of the chair. And then just letting your legs relax out into the strap, having the blanket under your head and letting your arms relax by your sides, or you can have your hands on your torso. Feel free to close your eyes, or you can just keep your eyes softly relaxed. Allowing yourself to settle into the earth. Feeling the rise and fall of your breathing. Let your belly and your chest relax, and feel the breath coming in and out of your body. As you begin to rest here a little bit more deeply, bring your awareness into your legs, and particularly where the tops of the thighs nestle down into the hip sockets. So the hip sockets are right at the base of the pelvis, and the thighs connect down into the hip sockets. And just feel as if your thighs are nice and rooted down into the bowl of the pelvis. And you can feel the back of your head resting on the floor, on your blanket or your pillow. You can sense your shoulder blades on the earth. And sensing your spine, your torso, and the back of your hips. And just continuing with some nice, easy breathing. I recommend resting here for 5 minutes or even a little longer if you have the time. Softening your skin, softening your body, relaxing where you can. Once you've been in this position for 5 minutes or so, you can slowly remove your feet from the chair. Now we're going to keep the strap right where it is on your thighs, right around the middle thighs. You can move your chair a little forward. Place your feet hip distance on the floor. And then gently place your hands on the front of your pelvis. Just let your pelvis be natural and relaxed. And go back to your easy breathing. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath as you relax into your shoulders again. Relax your jaw, your face. And then focusing on where the strap is located, right around the middle of your thighs. And gently press your legs out into the strap. And then relax your legs. And press your legs out into the strap and relax your legs. Now, as you do this a few more times, what we're looking for is to make sure that you're only moving your legs out into the strap as far as your pelvis doesn't tuck or tilt
or twist in any way. So if you keep your hands just on the front of your pelvis, we're moving the thigh bones in and out. So out into the strap, gently press and then relax. Press out into the strap and then relax. If you do find that your pelvis is tilting or tucking when you do these leg presses, then make the movement a little bit smaller. Move in a range where the tilt and the tuck doesn't happen. There's no need to try to hold your pelvis still or create any strain in the body in order to move the legs. So just moving your legs out into the belt as far as your pelvis stays quiet and relaxed. You can have your eyes closed again. And maybe the movement is quite small, and that is totally fine. We're creating a new movement pattern to help you feel better in your back. So after a few presses, we'll just slowly take your strap away. Take it off to the side, and then the last movement we'll do, knees stay bent, feet stay flat on the floor, hands come back to the pelvis. Just pause and breathe. And then again, staying very relaxed, we're going to slowly open the knees a little bit out to the side in a butterfly pose. And then slowly draw the knees back up towards the sky. Opening the knees a little bit out to the side, and then drawing the knees back up towards the sky. And again, with your hands on the front of your pelvis. The pelvis is quiet and relaxed. If you find that when you press your knees out or when the knees start to come out, you tuck your pelvis or you tilt or shift, just maybe going a little too far, make the movement a little smaller so that we can really start to nurture the leg bones moving in the hip sockets. Nice and easy. Moving in a range here where there's no increase in pain. Just doing a few more repetitions. Make this as gentle and relaxed as you're able. And then after a few repetitions, just pause. Take a nice couple of breaths here, relaxing your arms by your side. Feel the support of the floor. Feel free to stay here as long as you like. Otherwise, you can slowly take your knees to one side and roll onto a side. And use your hands to help you back up to sitting. Enjoy this practice.